Hey Greens, Nerdecrafter here. Just kidding. Welcome to my channel, Jay of All Trades. The reason I'm dressed up like Nerdecrafter is because I got this big old Not Another crap kit by Nerdecrafter. And today I'm going to unbox it. It's by SmartArt. And if you've never heard of Nerdecrafter, you're in for a treat, because she is amazing. So I'm going to move the camera down so that we can go ahead and unbox this, and this will be a two-part video. One part will be the unboxing, the other part will be making a craft out of the items that are in this craft kit. And if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Unboxing Not Another craft kit. And like you can see, here's Nerdecrafter's avatar. You got the sprinkled salt, crap emoji. You got Burb, Angel, Magikarp, and a lot of her little sculptures she's already done. If you can see around the box here, it's by SmartArt. Special collaboration, Nerdecrafter and SmartArt. You got on the bottom of the box, it's upside down, but all these little silhouettes of her little sculptures and creatures she's made, and of course little Magikarp. And it's got the same thing on the other side, her logo, hashtag Nerdecrafter. So when you make something using her craft kit, you just hashtag Nerdecrafter. And of course you got smartartbox.com/nerdybox. And of course you got SmartArt Nerdecrafter, all the things, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course YouTube, because she's popular on YouTube. And of course you got hashtag SmartBox. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up, and my little kitty's curious as well. This is my kitty Amethyst, if you don't know. He's named after the healing stone. So, in other words, back to the box. I got to get him off my desk. Excuse me. Alright, so. Ooh. Bubble wrap! Pop, pop, pop. Take that off. My kitties will want to play with that. You got Nerdecrafter tissue paper. Of course, the same logos that were on the bottom. It's a little ripped. Stay. Alright. So you got the guide of what's inside. It's got all kinds of instructions, and of course you could scan the code, but I'm going to cover that up so that no one, because that's my own personal code when you buy the box. Okay, so it's got all kinds of instructions of what you could make with this kit. And okay, so I'm going to lay that to the side because I want to be surprised. And of course, alright, let's see. Now, she had a thing that if you got a holographic Magikarp, it was like a golden ticket. So let's see if we've got that. Stickers! I love stickers! And it doesn't look like we've got the holographic one, but we got Magikarp, Polycarp. This is my happy face. Of course, Nerdy loves Bulbasaur, and so do I. And then I'm Insulted. So I'm going to put those in my art journal. And what I want to do here is I want to find the mold. So this mold was specially crafted through Salty and Toffee and by Nerdecrafter herself. That's what you use to make the figurine. And you can use it multiple times, especially after you've run out of the supplies. You can use it, reuse it again and again. Just buy more plaster. Alright. So, we've got brushes, especially Salty brush set, acrylic, watercolor, and oil. I need that. Well, I don't necessarily need it because I got a whole brush set over there. And here comes my kitty again, all curious. Because it's a box. He likes to chew on cardboard. Anyways, so we've got an XL blade. I've got a couple of these in my crafts supplies already. XL, grip on knife, free safety cap. Alright, and again, by XL, we've got a sandpaper knife, which is really good to get in specific corners that you don't normally reach with regular sandpaper. Alright, so we've got a dotting tool or poker. It looks like a poker. And you've got Sculpey tools. This helps. It's double-sided, so you've got your dotting mechanisms. The big one can make eyes, and it shows you kind of some on the side of what these could do. That's for working with clay. Dual-ended detail tools. Alright, I'm going to save the molds. Wire, you could use this to either make another sculpture with the Sculpey clay that's in this box as well, or you could use this to make tails or wings, which she's got specifically holes on the mold so that you could do this. Okay, then you've got spatula and a bowl. This really is the piece de resistance, because this is something that not all craft kits come with, and truly is everything you need. Alright, so here are the different materials. You got plaster. That's going to make your sculpture. You've got Sculpey clay to make either the tail, and of course this is Super Sculpey, which is perfect mix for firmness, detail, softening, and blending. You got Epoxy Sculpt, just a little sample. This is, you can make ears or anything with this. You can even get the big jars online and do a whole sculpture in it. Okay, so you got rubber bands to tie your mold up. This is a little measuring cup to measure water and your plaster. You've got, let's see, red paint. The rainbow paint, the rainbow alcohol inks, and of course your Sophie and Toffee UV resin. And along with that, you have your UV light. I haven't put batteries in it. Batteries not included. That's the only thing that's not included in this kit. Okay. So, then you've got your oven baked clay adhesive. You could use this to add your Sculpey onto your clay after it's been baked or before it's baked. And you've got a little funnel. on to the piece de resistance. You've got your paint Nerdecrafter SmartArt set. So this is exclusive to the set. You've got 9 colors, not including the red. She added the red as an extra. Now, so you've got metallics, pearlescent purple, you got your emerald that are pearlescents, and your metallic gold, your yellow, magenta, blue, black, white, and brown. So you can mix all kinds of these colors, even just the primary colors, and make whatever color you need. But you also have the lightening, adding black or white option to lighten or darken the colors. And of course you can mix them all to make brown, but you got brown. Alright. And this is awesome to use with the Excel blade. You've got your own cutting mat, and of course it's got Nerdecrafter avatar listed as well on it. So you've got a large side, it's double-sided. You've got the large side that has the grid, and a smaller size with the grid. So you can measure and cut your clay on this, or any type of fabric or paper even. All just depends. So, and that concludes what comes in this box. So here is everything that comes in the box. Once again, and I didn't mention she included the paint palette, and this is a little mold that you can make the cabochons, eyes, and jewels with the UV resin. So you've got that as well. So as you can see, that's everything that's included in this box. It really does come with everything you need. So that is everything that comes in the Nerdecrafter Not Another Craft Kit box. And I'd like to thank you for watching Jay of All Trades channel.